Welcome to Energic Fit Hub. I'm Muhammad Anas, and today we're going to tackle the ultimate 30-minute full body workout that requires no equipment. Whether you're at home, in a park, or traveling, this routine is perfect for you. Ready to get started? Let's do this. First, let's warm up our bodies to prevent injuries and get the blood flowing. We'll start with a dynamic warm-up. 30 seconds each of jumping jacks, high knees, butt kicks, and arm circles. Now that we're warmed up, let's dive into our full body workout. We'll perform each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. We'll go through the entire circuit twice. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down, and as you come up, lift your right leg to the side. Squat down again, and lift your left leg. This targets your legs and glutes while engaging your core for balance. Perform a push-up, then tap your right shoulder with your left hand, and your left shoulder with your right hand. This works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Step forward into a lunge. Twist your torso to the right, and return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. This engages your legs, glutes, and core. Start in a plank position. Push your hips up to downward dog, then return to plank. This targets your core, shoulders, and hamstrings. Jump up, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank, perform a push-up, jump your feet forward, and explode up. This full-body exercise is great for cardio and strength. Start in a plank position and alternate bringing your knees to your chest as quickly as possible. This boosts your heart rate and works your core. Lie face down. Extend your arms and legs and lift them off the ground simultaneously. This strengthens your lower back, glutes, and shoulders. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, lift your feet off the ground, and twist your torso to touch the floor on each side. This targets your obliques and core. Perform a squat, then explode up into a jump. Land softly and repeat. This exercise builds explosive power in your legs. Lie on your back, bring your knees to a 90-degree angle, and alternate touching your elbows to the opposite knee. This works your entire core. Great job, everyone! Now, let's cool down with some stretches. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Hamstring stretch, quad stretch, shoulder stretch, and tricep stretch. You've completed the ultimate 30-minute full body workout. Remember to stay hydrated and fuel your body with nutritious foods. If you enjoyed this workout, please give it a thumbs up, comment below on how you feel, and don't forget to subscribe to Energic Fit Hub for more awesome workouts. See you next time.